Hey guys, so I'm here and I have my adapter, and this is kind of a Tesla adapter, so I kind of want to show you guys how it works. And I have an EV charger here, but it's not the one that I want. So I want it to be Tesla, and this one back here is the 5-prong one. So I want to convert it. So this is what it just came with. I just got this, and so there we go. Now it's a Tesla charger, and I have my Tesla over there, so I'm just gonna plug it in, and this is perfect. I mean, it sits on there nice, and it's my little Tesla charger. So if I go anywhere and they have these chargers, which I know are at a lot of places, I can just use this adapter and wherever I am, just put it on and then plug it into my Tesla. So this is nice because this will be perfect here for when I charge my Tesla, because I have this EV one, but I want to switch it and put it into here. So that's what it came with. That was everything with this EV adapter, and it's perfect and nice and easy. It seems really nice. It's light but strong, and this will be perfect. So I like it, and I'm definitely giving it a thumbs up.